Today we are going to make Nutella Ferrero Rocher cake without oven. This is really simple to make and it tastes more than awesome. So in a bowl, take 1 cup of hot milk, make sure that the milk is hot, into which add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Give it a stir and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 4 tablespoons of normal cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence. Then add 1 tablespoon of Nutella. So this Nutella is something which is already present in Ferrero Rocher chocolate. If you do not have this, you can skip this. Now sieve 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Three-fourth cup of powdered sugar. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Then 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. This coffee powder will add a very good taste to our cake. 1 teaspoon of baking powder followed by 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Give this all a very good stir and then add 1/4 cup of hot water. So this will help to make our batter a bit thin. Switch to a spatula, cut and fold your batter and then pour it into a 6-inch greased mold. So here I am taking a 6-inch mold. You can take any vessel that you have. Put some oil, grease it with a brush and then add some maida. Now if you have butter paper, then you just need to put your butter paper and grease it with oil. I'm making it without butter paper, that is why I'm doing all this. Pour your batter and bake this in a preheated vessel with a stand. So you need to preheat your vessel for 10 minutes at medium flame and then bake this at low flame for 35 minutes. Keep checking in between using a toothpick. So here I have taken total 150 gram of dark chocolate, into which I am adding 100 ml of hot Amul cream. So let it sit for 5 minutes. Cover it and let it sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, using a spoon, vigorously stir your mixture. So if you find any chunks of dark chocolate, you can always double boil it. But usually if you use hot Amul cream, then you do not find any chunks. Like I have got a very smooth ganache. So if you want to keep it like thin the way it is, you do not need to refrigerate it. I like it a bit thick, so I am refrigerating it until the next step. So next, in a bowl, take 3/4 cup of cold whipping cream. Heat it for few seconds, then add 2 tablespoons of Nutella. As I said, if you do not have this, you can skip this or add any spread that is available to you. Now beat this into stiff peaks or semi-stiff peaks and refrigerate until the next step. So our cake is nicely baked. Yes, it does have some cracks at the top, but it's okay because we are anyhow going to cut it into layers. So the top part, you can make cake pops, cake sickles or anything out of it, or you can eat it as it is. So I'm cutting this cake into 3 layers. Then at the bottom layer, I am adding some sugar syrup, which I made by adding 3 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then I am spreading some chocolate ganache, which we have refrigerated. Then I am spreading some whipping cream and the other layer, some sugar syrup, ganache and then again whipping cream. Now whatever you want to add between your cakes is totally up to you. You can add whipping cream and then in the other layer chocolate ganache, or you can skip anything that you want, so this is totally up to you. So now refrigerate your cake for 10 minutes. Now we are going to cover our entire cake using the whipping cream. After refrigerating your cake, icing your cake becomes really easy. As you can see, cover the sides using a spatula or a butter knife that you have at your home. So this looks good. I am going to refrigerate it again until the next step. Here I have taken the same chocolate ganache that we have prepared, 2 tablespoons, then add 1 teaspoon of oil and 2 teaspoons of water. Give it a vigorous stir. We need this to be as smooth as possible. So I have filled this chocolate ganache into a bottle like this. You can also use a spoon to make such designs on the edges of the cake. Then spread it all on the top of the cake. Then by using a butter knife, you can spread it evenly. So I have filled the whipping cream in a piping bag, and using nozzle I am making such designs. You can skip this or make any design of your choice. I am also placing Ferrero Rocher chocolates on top of these swirls. You can place any chocolate of your choice, like chocolate balls or anything that you have. I had Ferrero Rocher chocolate, so I am adding, as this is a Ferrero Rocher cake. I have kept this cake really simple and basic, yet beautiful. This cake just not only looks beautiful, I mean the taste and everything about this cake was just perfect. Let me show you the layers between the cake. How nicely and perfect everything has turned out. The chocolate ganache layer, then the whipping cream layer, and the cake is extremely spongy, moist, and absolutely tasty.